So it doesn't work. Let's open it up and check to see what's going on. Here's the batteries. One. There we go. Okay. One side and the other. So this is 0.8 volts. This one is basically not reading. So this one is definitely dead. This is 0.8. It's supposed to be 1.55. So I actually went and got some replacement ones. So you see 1.55. Let's put it in and give it a shot. So let's check, make sure that the replacement ones are, the correct voltage. Because if they are old or been sitting there, nope, definitely 1.58. 1.58. Okay. So we'll put it back in. 1, 2. Now you see the light blinking. And we put it back in here. Okay. All fixed.